It's the biggest science experiment ever built. For many physicists and engineers, the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC, has been their life for a decade or more. Switching on their £5 billion machine was always going to be a tense moment. They could only hope that it would work.
3, 2, 1, faisceau.
Those blobs of light on the screen mean the LHC is up and running. Half of the giant 27-kilometre ringed machine sits in Switzerland, half in neighbouring France. It's housed in a circular tunnel 100 metres underground. Scientists hope it will explain mysteries like why the universe has mass, unveil new subatomic particles, and shed light on dark matter, the material thought to make up 96% of the universe. Inside this tunnel, subatomic particles called protons are beamed round. Protons exist in the nucleus of every atom and are sometimes called hadrons. The LHC is using hadrons from hydrogen atoms. Powerful magnets pull them around just shy of the speed of light, 11,000 laps a second. The scientists plan to create 2 proton beams travelling in opposite directions and then crash them into each other. When this happens, it'll reproduce the conditions that existed a billionth of a second after the birth of the universe, the Big Bang. Fast detectors the size of multi-storey buildings around the tunnel will act like giant digital cameras. These will capture what things looked like at the very early stages of the universe. But it won't be easy. Getting the 2 beams to hit each other will be like firing a gun in New York and one in London and getting the bullets to hit each other. But switching on the LHC hasn't been without controversy. According to some doom websites online, the machine could create a black hole that sucks in the planet and destroys all life. Theoretically, these black holes will appear, but it's pretty certain we'll still be around to see them.
People really should not be worried because there really is absolutely no danger whatsoever. Really all we're doing is reproducing in these experiments what nature does all the time, all around us.
It'll take some time to analyse the result produced by the LHC. Each year it will churn out 15 million gigabytes of data, enough to fill a stack of CDs 12 miles high. Scientists will use the world's biggest network of computers to sift through all this information. CERN, the company behind the LHC, is actually where the World Wide Web was developed to help scientists communicate with each other. Scientific research on the atom has also led to inventions like the computer chip, nuclear power and radiotherapy for cancer. It's hoped the LHC will lead to many such discoveries.
People go to hospital and have a PET scan, they're using technology that was developed here. So we've actually had huge practical benefits that completely outweigh all the money we put into it. But you've got to say the real reason we want to do it is we want to know.